Hi, I'm Jenna Dewan, and this is This or That.
Get it?
Tacos or pasta?
Tacos. I don't know why that took me a long time to think of that. Tacos. Rap country? That's a thing now.
Compost or edible garden?
Compost.
Paper straws or bamboo straws?
Bamboo.
Farmer's market or grocery store?
Farmer's market, because it's so much more fun.
Camping or picnic in the backyard?
Picnic in the backyard.
Foundation or concealer?
Concealer.
Blush or bronzer?
Blush. I'm from Texas.
Mascara or eyeliner?
Mascara.
Face moisturizer or lip balm?
Lip balm.
Moonwalk or the Running Man?
Moonwalk.
Ballet or
Hip hop.
champagne or cocktail?
Both.
Twerking or pirouetting?
Pirouetting, I can't work. Makeup in 2 minutes. Okay. Concealer, a little bit of concealer, curl the eyelashes, gel, cream blush, and lip balm. I can do this at a stoplight.